going to be trying the 0 to 100 in the Golf GTI stage 2 again, because the owner wasn't happy. So I'm here now. We'll be testing it with my race box. So it's on. Okay, so let's, traction controls off, it's in sports mode. I'll put it in S. Now it's in S. Manual launch, so press the brake, full accelerator, go. Much wheel spin. 6.6 seconds, much better than the previous one. It was 6.89, I guess. So let me try again with manual gear instead of the S, because of front wheel drive and too much spin. So let's just do it manually. It's an M. Okay, again, turn off the air condition as well. The air condition's off. Let's reset. It's there. Now it's reset. No, wait. 1, 2. Seconds.